Tired of your to-do list running your life? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple yet powerful daily planner in Notion to take control of your day. First, create a new page in Notion and title it Daily Planner. Now, let's add a database. Type / then database and select inline. Name this database Today's Tasks. This is where you'll list everything you need to accomplish. Next, we'll add some properties. Make sure you have name, which is where you write each task. Now, add a status property. Make it a select property, and add options like to do, in progress, and done. Then, add a priority property, also a select property, with options like high, medium, and low. Finally, add a time property, where you can put an estimate of how long each task will take to complete. Go ahead and fill out the database with all of the tasks you need to do today. Be sure to assign each task a status, priority, and estimated time. Now, let's create some views to help us focus. Click on Add a View and select Board View. Name it Kanban Board and group tasks by status to visualize progress. Then, filter to only show tasks where status is to do or in progress. Next, let's create a timeline view. Name it Timeline. Drag the start and end times to visualize your day. And that's it. With this simple Notion daily planner, you can organize your day effectively, prioritize your activities, and track your progress. Good luck, and get planning.